Okay, so today, hi Fiza. It is 17th December 2023 and we are at a Sunday Fun Aging call. The topic today is building a muscle. How does it get any better than this? And what else is possible? So we are live on Insta also. Cool. So today's topic is building a muscle. So all the DJCCs and all the past juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all nice, shorts, boys, provides, and beyonds. Insta is, let me announce in Insta, today is a Sunday Fun Aging call. It's a free call every Sunday we have and with a different topic. Today it's building a muscle. Awesome. Hi, Fiza. She joined, but she's not here. Anyway, so what is building a muscle?
मुझे लगता है कि when I am aware, then जो कुछ मैंने तय किया है वो मैं कर पाती हूँ. That is building a muscle.
Okay, very good. And what do you think, Fiza? Fiza not here. What comes to me is I used to do yoga. And I used to go to yoga and I used to feel so left out because others were doing headstands and whatnot. And I couldn't do anything. My body wasn't trained. The body was so stiff. Little movement would pain. So when I started doing it, but it somehow after the day, after the session, Dana session, the body used to feel good. So body would wake me up in the morning to go for yoga. My mind was running and telling me, no, leave it, your body will not be able to do it. But my body was so excited and I would go. And I kept going for years. And then there was a time when people used to look at me and say, oh my God, you do so much, we can't do. I could do a headstand, I could do that butterflies on my hands, I could do everything. And even still some of the things I can do now, I haven't been doing since I've joined Access. But that is like building a muscle. So you have to do a thing again and again. In Access, we build a muscle by, hi Shimona, hi Nippy.
Hi, Kamal.
Access, in Access, we do a thing again and again because our body, some things we have not been told. Some things were not so easy for us. Or it even sometimes felt like, what is this? I'll never do this, or I've never done this. I'll never be able to do it. As easy as now it seems very easy, but for a new person, the clearing statement मेरे को लगता था मुझे कभी learn ही नहीं होगी, याद ही नहीं होगी. I written it down and I would say it rather than, you don't know it. So you start building a muscle. Body invites you, what it wants, what it desires to make it easy for you. So anybody else gets what is building a muscle? And everything is not for everybody. You can do exercise, some do exercise, some do walking, some do Pilates, some do all kinds of dance, all kinds of things, all movements. What does your body like? What movement does your body like? It will help you to build a muscle in that. It requires all your commitment. It requires all your choice. On your choice it is. Some people go only twice a day for something. वो कहते हैं ना जितना गुड़ डालो उतना मीठा. Do you feel good after using these tools? Does your life become easy?
Yes, that's what I was saying कि
Yeah.
मैं जब अवेयर रहती हूँ तो I can apply tools. Otherwise, again, same path.
So you build a muscle to be aware. You have to build a muscle to be anything. For awareness also, you have to build a muscle. The moment you lose it, you recognize, oh my God, and you choose again. It's not about making you wrong. मेरे को क्यों नहीं आता? So, any questions? It could be for body weight. It could be for everything can be challenging. And do you want to be the winner? You are your own competition. There's so much to learn, so much to know, so much to tap into. And sometimes we can do it, and sometimes we can't do it. And that's also okay. You have to choose to be uncomfortable sometimes, not give up. Your body, if your body loves it, it will make it easy for you. So how do you how many of you have built a muscle around of access? The access tools are like your coach, reformer for your life. They are there to contribute to whatever it is you'd like to have. Like energy pools, you can have energy pools, you can do energy pools, and sometimes you feel, oh, you don't know how to do it, and then it doesn't work. Your point of view creates your reality. वो इतनी इजी है तो हमें नहीं लगता कि वो कुछ करेंगी उनसे कुछ. मुझे शुरू में लगता था ये क्या है, but until you're willing to do it, to choose it. Some people are curious. Hi Param, hi V.
Hello, Kamal. Good morning.
Good morning. They will like to do everything to know what is this. Some people choose from when they will know, oh, the results. What results did you get? Then they might. What category are you in? If you really want to choose greater, and you really want a life that you would like to have, you will build a muscle. How many of you think that you have a muscle now? It comes easy to you now. And then it's always going on. It's not like stop now. You done it and you know it all. No. You literally need to go, and keep doing things to create greater. If you ask questions, then we can go somewhere. Or you can ask questions in anything. Iska kya question puchna, that's okay. You can, whatever is troubling you, whatever is ailing you, is there anything else that you'd like to ask? Please go for it.
कमल आज कोई टॉपिक रखा था हमने?
Building a muscle.
बिल्डिंग अ मसल. तो एनर्जी पुल की आपने बात करी, कोई एक एनर्जी पुल कर सकते हैं अभी?
Oh, that we can do in the last 5 minutes. But
Okay.
Thank you for the suggestion. Yes, we can do. Sometimes some people say that, oh, that thing works for him. कितना आसान हो जाता है उसके लिए, वो इतनी efficiently कुछ चीज कर सकती है, मैं नहीं कर सकती. Is that true? No. The person is choosing more than you are. If you would choose, you might go beyond them. What are you choosing? What are you creating? Are you waiting for ऊपर से कुछ छप्पड़ फाड़ के आ जाएगा और सब कुछ चेंज हो जाएगा? Yes, that is also possible. But you have to be willing. You have to ask. You have to do. How many of you are really desiring to change your reality? Or you're okay with literal change? Awesome. So what all do you do for that? We all want a change. We all want change. But what do we do for that? Do we sit and wait for the change to happen? If you want a different life for us, what do you have to do for it? We literally need to build a muscle. Once you take one step, everybody's heard that. You take one step, the universe conspires to gift you everything. The right people will come your way. Choices will show up. Possibilities will start to show up. You are the source. You are the power. These are just the tools. Energy pull, the clearing statement, the crazy phrase, all the tools. What new muscle do you want to build? What does your body enjoy?
ये in itself तो muscle building है ना, कि trusting what the body enjoys is okay.
Exactly. Talking to your body, listening to your whispers of your body. How often you have to start first. मैं तो कितनी देर बोलती रही हूँ, पर यहाँ तो कुछ हुआ नहीं. And we give up.
And that also and this also के ओहो बीच में कितना कुछ वो आ जाती हैं limitations. नहीं वो क्या कहेगा ये तो रहने ही दो. And you don't thinking अरे भाई मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
Yeah. We don't do anything for like जो अभी Being You की क्लास हो रही थी, उसमें वो कहता है दिल खोल के कुछ बात हुई थी, उसे दिल खोल के ऊंचा चीखो. shout loudly. They say, no, 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 do it at home. I would want you to do it here, but no, you do it at home, because here then everybody is looking. Is my scream loud enough? Am I looking good? Is my mouth making right noises? Face looking great or not? So this don't do it here, because you will not be totally into it. So do it at home, so you don't have to worry about anybody else. That's what we do. We are worried about what people will say. People operate from fixed ideas and concepts of how things are supposed to be, rather than functioning in what is joyful for me, what's fun for me. So those people can't change anything. They have to live by the manual handed over to them by this society. You always have a choice. Not many people know that. Tools are only there if you have anything you want to change it. Acha, which tool? It's like you want to put a nail in the wall. What do you need? A hammer. Use it. I think Access gave me the permission to choose and change anything with the tools that it provided me with. And I'm so grateful for that. We are so happy where we are, mediocre, to be total mediocre. How many of you want to excel, want to show up as you truly are? Have you noticed the change that has been happening now has never happened in the last so many centuries? Change is showing up faster than ever today. Do you want to build a muscle to be along with the world, or you think that, no, I'm okay?
I'm in the bathroom. Just stood up.
Yeah, we can see that.
यही तो Zoom का फायदा है कमल, आप बाथरूम में हो, आप कहाँ
I
बैठे हो?
know. Exactly.
ये अमृत वर्षा है। कमल आपने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला, अभी जो है ना कि लोग चीखे मारेंगे तो लोग क्या कहेंगे ना, तो can I say something?
Yeah, please go.
अभी जैसे हमारे घर में भूख था ना, तो मैं बाथरूम में आई तो मेरे को पर्चा देखा पापा जी का, 2 बार देखा कि क्या कहना चाहता है। पहले होता मैं कहती, लोगों ने कहा शुक्र मनाया कि सारा गया है ते नुआ नहीं बोल दिया कभी ना, पर मैंने पर ये मुझे मेरा दिल कर रहा है इसका थैंक्स करने को अपने स्टाफ का स्पेशली, तो आई डिड दैट बिकॉज हैड आई नॉट बीन एक्सेस आई वुड हैव नॉट, बिकॉज नुआ नहीं बोलती ऐसे इन दिस
I know,
रियलिटी।
what would people say? What's she
What will
talking
people
about? But I think today the world is willing to listen to or change or choose something greater.
या एंड मेरे को नहीं पता था मैंने
That
क्या
is
बोला
why
कि
you can say it. There's so
Yeah.
many things you would never be able to say it if you knew that they will not be received.
या लिमिटेशंस, या लिमिटेशंस कमल, लिमिटेशंस। इमेजिन मामा के टाइम पे मेरी हिम्मत नहीं पड़ सकती थी उठ के खड़ी हो जाऊं।
Yeah.
एंड दूसरा है कि वो मैंने नहीं पता क्या बोला होता उस दिन, पता नहीं होता।
Param is talking about her father-in-law just died, and she spoke in the
बरसी
we have
बरसी
both function, and
home.
she thanked everybody who contributed. Yeah.
एंड कमल वो मैंने ना पता नहीं होता जब आप बोलते हो तो मैंने ऐसे सुना वीडियो पे, तो मैं हंस रही हूँ तो मैंने बोला इट्स ओके, मैंने बोला इट्स ओके, क्योंकि ये सच्ची बात है, एक्सेस इज सच अ गिफ्ट कमल।
Yeah.
No agenda of that कि मेरी
It
हंसी क्यों
takes
निकलनी
you
है.
out of the jail. It takes you out of judgment, agenda, invention, and lies.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a magic. It's actually a magic.
And Kamal, the best thing is कि किसी को पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
अलीशा से
don't have
मामा
to ask.
अलीशा से मामा आपने तो कभी नहीं बोला कि मैं बोलूंगी. मैं कही बेटा बाथरूम में गई पर्चा 2 बारी मेरे पैरों पे आया. मैं क्या कहना चाहता है पर्चा. ये वांट्स कि मेरा टाइम है कुछ बोल दो. चलो.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Manisha. Yeah. We have started breaking down the rules of this reality. What else is possible now? Building a muscle that also requires a muscle.
Yes, Kamal. I think asking questions is the biggest muscle now these days.
Yeah. Nobody has any question? Hi, Kavya. Kavya Yoga. Kaval Yoga. Welcome. What stand? V stands for what? Who's that? Okay. So I can talk about myself. My world continuously keeps expanding. My world, I'm willing to go forward, willing to choose more, and more possibilities start to show up. I like to continuously explore, what else is possible. I don't know where I get the energy from. Like Dane and Gary say, we know we are here to change the world. I don't think I can say that yet. But I know that
you
I
are,
might be
Kamal.
playing
You-
some part in
You
it.
are. Kamal,
You
you are.
have changed. You have changed me a lot.
Thank you so much. But some part of it, thank you for saying that, it means a lot. But I am willing to
Many-
have my world expand. Are you willing to have your world expand, guys? Because I'm
Yes.
just expanding my world and it's overflowing to people.
Yes,
ये
Kamal.
चेंज है ना चेंज, ये मुझे बड़ा फियरफुल लगता है. बार बार ये डिस्ट्रक्टिव इम्प्लांट जो है फियर वाला, वो उभर के आता है कि क्या करूं. तो आई नो कि आप बोलते हैं कि कोयला हाथ में है तो क्या पकड़ोगी, फेंक दो, लेकिन अगेन एंड अगेन इट इज कमिंग अप. तो क्या है ये?
all these are distractor implants. Anger, rage, fury, hate, blame, shame, regret, guilt, addictive, compulsive, obsessive, perverted points of views, love, sex, jealousy, peace, life, death, living reality, fear, doubt, business, and relationship are all distractor implants. ये एक पर्ची पे लिख के अपने पॉकेट में रख लो. Anything that happens, destroy all the distractor implants. And all of them are so, some of them sometimes are so sneakily come into our lives that we don't even realize. And they will never let you be free. They will always hold you. Fear will hold you from choosing greater. Fear will hold you from going forward. So it's building a muscle. Thank you for saying that. You have to build. Hi, Seema. You have to build a muscle. Anything that you cannot solve, anything that you have not been able to change with whatever you've done is a distractor implant. There's so much part of your mind, which is why we cannot change them, because they come forward in a minute. Family and relationship. Gary always says, you're wrong if you don't have a relationship. गलत हो, खराब हो, लड़ाई हो रही हो, whatever is happening, you're suffocating there. But if you have a space in the society. People who don't have relationships have no space. They're ridiculed. So what is fear? Is it true? People say, I have money issue, I have fear issue. Means, what does that mean? Your point of view creates your reality. Issue means something that has been given to you. We have been given fear from this reality, not something that you choose. And it's your choice to let it go. Are you willing to let it go?
Yes.
What are you afraid of, Manisha?
I get afraid of anything. कुछ काम किया तो भी afraid, क्या रिजल्ट आएगा, नहीं किया तो खाली बैठी रहती है. Fear is the biggest.
So all those points of view are yours, or you pick them up from your family or this reality?
I don't know.
No, are they yours? Truth. Light or heavy?
Heavy.
So that means it's a lie. Everywhere you bought it from, whoever you bought it from, would you be willing to return it to sender with consciousness attached? Do you have the courage, willing to be different?
Yes, I have.
So if you have the courage to, and you're willing to be different, then you're not willing to be different. You're just saying it because you're fearful. You're not willing to choose different. Are you willing to
Yes.
choose whatever it works for you, regardless of whether anybody says anything or not?
No.
Are you a leader or a follower?
Follower.
Everywhere you are not choosing to be the leader. You are an infinite being. You can be the leader. Everywhere you're not choosing to be the leader that you truly be, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Are you willing to go on a journey that you have never gone before? Regardless of whether anybody agrees with you or not. Be the commander-in-chief of your reality. Do you drive, Manisha?
Yes.
So, you want to sit on the driving seat or you want to sit behind?
Driving seat.
So choose. This is building a muscle. You have to build a muscle. Every time you go into fear, you say, what? Fear, bye-bye. Now what can I choose here? Now what
Okay.
can I do here? Do you try to hold on to whatever you have for fear that there won't be more, it will never come back again, or I will never have it? May it be relationship, may it be money, may it be house, may it be anything. Are you
Yes.
fearful of losing it?
Yes, you said it very rightly.
Everywhere you are choosing that, you're an infinite being. You have it all. You do not have to do anything for it. You just have to be. If you are living in fear, You do not want to live in awareness. You cut off your awareness. You choose polarity. So, how fearful are you now as compared to when you started Access?
That's what I was about to say. मैं बहुत काफी चल के आई हूँ. And
So you have built a muscle.
yes, I have
Are you
definitely. I
willing
have.
to are you willing to go further, or you are happy now? You say now I
No.
can't do any more.
No, I want to go further.
So please stop saying that I am fearful. Starting now,
Yes.
building a muscle, what is fear? Hey, am I being fearful here? Who am I being here? Somebody else. You are not fearful. There is no fear in your world, Manisha.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Anybody has anything to say? Hi, Sanjay. Hello. Push.
Hello.
Kaushal. Kaushal Rani. Hi. Welcome. Thank you. Yes. Somebody said hi here?
Yeah, I said.
Okay. Hi. Anybody has any question? Any question would do. I mean, you don't have to have a question of building a muscle. We can go, any question can go where you want to go. Hello, nobody has any. We've all done it. We are all there. Fear is not real. Nobody can explain fear, has seen fear. They just be it, choose to be it at time to time. Anybody says I'm fearful, I am afraid, they are functioning from distractor implant. So, Manisha, ask what's underneath fear for yourself.
Okay.
Whenever you think is, you just ask what is underneath this. Is it real? Have I made it real? Have people around me made it real, so I bought it from them? Everything that is, would you be willing to let it go? Starting now. We are living by implanted reality. In truth, we beings are infinite being. And we only know joy, bliss, and ecstasy. That is what lightens up our world. Everything else is created reality. Whenever fear comes, there is something that greater there that the fear doesn't want you to look at. Not confront it, not see what is underneath that, not deal with it. Anything we don't want to deal with, we put it under the name of fear. So instead of saying I am fearful, pock and pod all that is underneath that.
How beautiful said, no? कहते नहीं है सो एंड सो से डर लगता है because we don't want to deal with that person.
Yeah. I don't know what's happening. Anybody can help me? In Insta, it just stopped on its own. After a while, it just stops and it doesn't share nowadays. I haven't been able to share 3-4 videos.
Are you on the Facebook now?
I am not on Facebook, but I'm on Insta and Zoom. Okay, we'll talk about that later.
Yeah.
What is underneath fear? किसने कहा था? क्या कहानी चल रही है? क्या मैंने खरीदा है? कहाँ से खरीदा है? Am I not willing to look at it, deal with it? Ask questions. Question, like Param said, is the ultimate tool. So if anybody has any question, guys, any question will do in any area. And whenever you're fearful, use the crazy phrase. Everything is the opposite of what appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what appears to be. We are making a kahani out of it, a story out of it, and making it real. Otherwise, it's uska kuch aur hi hai. Everything is the opposite of what appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what appears to be. We've been told change is not good. We have seen our relatives, our friends, our parents dreading change. So we think change is not right. जैसे है वैसे ही जीते रहो, पता नहीं. You keep torturing yourself, living in a situation you've been always living, but just you think you don't have the guts to change it.
See, we keep on hearing this that sorry मैं बाहर हूँ, मैं डायलॉग बाहर लेके आई हूँ. वो कहते हैं कि अस्सी जी कभी सात सर मेरे बोले नहीं है बस.
Yeah.
कुछ भी ऐसे सुपोर्टिव में बोले नहीं है.
So everywhere you are fearful of change, would you be willing to let it go now, today, just like that?
Yeah. कुड़ियां रातों में बाहर नहीं जाती है. So many things and now it's changed totally. You're right, Kamal. It's totally changed.
Yeah. जितना चेंज इस सेंचुरी में हुआ है कभी नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, I was listening to Bhagwant Man's something video yesterday. वो बोलता है कि अपने माँ पे कह दो उन पुत जन्मने की लोड़ नहीं है, you know, कुड़ियां ही. So कहाँ पे बेटों का इतना. Yeah.
Yeah. So have you ever wondered what is it that makes fear so attractive to us that we pick it up again and again?
अपने अंदर है ना.
Yeah, have you noticed people talk so much about it? मेरे को उससे डर लगता है, मैं ये कभी नहीं करूंगी. Why do people go on talking about it so much? Why do they love all this so much?
Yeah.
I love my life so much. I'm fearful it'll go away. I love my husband so much. I feel fearful it'll go. My children, my house, my plants, could be anything. Every way we bought this from this reality and keep making this reality alive in our actions and in our thoughts. Something which are not even working for us. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it, please, now, right away, right now?
मुझे ना अभी आपकी बात सुनने से लगा कि ये ना फियर का ड्रामा मुझे अच्छा लगता है, और उस ड्रामे में बैठे रहना ताकि कुछ चेंज ना हो जाए और ज्यादा बिगड़ ना जाए। लेकिन अच्छा भी तो हो सकता है, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कि हर वक्त चेंज बिगड़ने वाला ही होता है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। Would you be willing to have that now?
No.
You won't be willing to have the change now?
No, change I'm willing to have, but fear, no more fear. मैं आज का कॉल
No
याद
more
रखूंगी।
fear. Yes, no more fear. We say no to it. Build your muscle every time fear comes, say no more fear. That is building a muscle. Moment you go into what is fear, there are people who have no fear. Means nothing makes them afraid. Those people have courage, who are willing to be different and to do whatever works for them, regardless of whether anybody comes along or not. And you can choose that too. Start playing with your identity, your sense of self. You can be anything, anybody, at any point of time. You are a chameleon. It's a capacity. You are sitting with children, you are being with like their friend. They feel they don't have a better friend than you. You're sitting with elders and they'll feel, oh my God, she's so concerned. We don't have anybody else. It is a gift that allows you to share in people's world a different possibility. Then people will never be able to define you. You are undefinable. They wouldn't know how to approach you, where to find you. I meet people from, say, 10, 20 years back, and I see they have not changed at all. They are sitting where they are. They have been always. Do you want to be like that? Life never changing. Same as. So boring. How different are you that you are not acknowledging? You think different. You behave different. You like different things. You are different. You're unique. Honor that. And there's no need to tell everybody what you want to do, what you be. Hi, Rupal. Hey, it's 9. Just for you, just for fun. Never tell anyone. You don't, how many of you don't deal with things the same way you dealt with before you joined Access?
Definitely, definitely.
And you don't seem to have the same issues you had.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
If you keep asking, what choice do I have here? And you can choose different. Question and choice will get you to pretty much everything. And you can function in a different way. Suddenly more awareness starts to show up. And you start to function and that's building a muscle. You build a muscle to live differently. Differently doesn't mean from regret or from revolt or from the way you'd like your life to be. Thank you guys, having patience. The ones who didn't listening to me,
You
didn't have
Kamali.
any questions to ask. Sorry.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Have a lovely, and anybody wants to tell a different topic for the next Sunday? Thank you, Seema.
Fear versus fearless.
Fear versus fearless.
कुछ ऐसा
Everybody agrees to it, or anybody has any other?
fearlessness.
Let's go with the fearless lady, what she's saying.
Okay, cool.
fearlessness.
Okay, cool. That's it.
Fearless girl.
Yes,
मैं fearful girl.
let's go with that.
Ingrained. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you next Sunday with a different topic.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.